The vanishing point of the law of perspective. Understanding this can answer about half of the questions I hear about flat Earth. Our eyes cannot see forever. When something reaches this point, it starts to diminish bottom up. That's how we see things. So when people ask, why do boats go over the horizon? Why can't we see China? How come we can't see Mount Everest from everywhere? What about sunsets? Well, today I decided to talk a little bit about sunsets. Now, this is what you're going to expect to see from a heliocentric point of view if I zoom into the sun. The sun is going to stay at the horizon due to the fact it's setting behind the physical curve of Earth. Now, if I were to zoom into the light at the end of this flat stationary hallway, you would see the light come up. So, if the Earth were flat stationary, and that is a localized sun going over us every day, you would see the sun come up from the horizon once I zoomed in, which is exactly what you're going to see here. I was so impressed by the results of this experiment, I did it again and again, which is exactly what I should have done. We shouldn't do an experiment just once. We should use the scientific method, making sure it is observable, repeatable, and testable, with a hypothesis and a conclusion, of course. This observation was filmed with a Nikon P900 with an ND1000 filter on it. I wouldn't suggest zooming into the sun without some sort of neutral density lens. This was a very clear day. There was not a chemtrail in sight. This video is a shout out to my 1,789 subscribers that have been so patient with me. Thank you guys so much. A shout out to every one of you. This is not the last of me. I actually am doing a lot more with Flat Earth this year. Today I have my first Flat Earth meetup at a local pizza joint. And then after that we are going to be filming the total lunar eclipse from my Nikon P900. And I will be putting a time lapse of that video here on my channel. But I did want you guys to understand that no matter how big, no matter how high, no matter how bright an object is, it is going to reach the vanishing point of the law of perspective. Our eyes do not see forever. This is an observable, repeatable, testable experiment that proves that the sun does not fall behind the curve and it simply falls into the vanishing point of the law of perspective, which happens to be right at the horizon where God put it. Understanding this will help you understand Flat Earth.